Hello all, this is Andrew Freilich, Financial Advisor with Macco Financial Group. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk through Vault. Vault is a function of the Raymond James client access, and what it allows us to do is securely send documents back and forth with our clients. So it allows you to upload documents to us and allows us to upload documents to you. So this is a function of client access. And what I'm going to assume for this video is that we've already created an online access account and you've been in there before. Now, once again, to get to that login, we go to maccofinancial.com and click on Client Access in the upper right-hand corner. So once we're logged in, the first thing that I want to draw your attention to is if we've uploaded a document to you. So if we're actively working on something, you'll see a notification here. And this is basically saying, hey, a new file was uploaded, and in this case, I made the comment on it. So to view that file, we can always click on it here. Or let's say you're uploading a file to us and we hadn't uploaded a file first, we can always go to Vault, which is right here in the middle. Once there, you'll see an updated document that I actually uploaded back as Adam Smith to the advisor, but in the same way you would see any documents that were uploaded first by your advisor. And what we'll see here is there's actually a comment on this. So let's say you're working with Terry or one of the advisors and we uploaded something to you. We say, hey, here's the tax tables you were looking for, here's the document. And from here you can actually download that right here. And then additionally, if we are working on something that needs your signature, you can always upload that back to us right here. And this is pretty straightforward. It's a file uploader. And let's just say I want to use that document. I can upload that back to the advisor or to Terry or whoever. And what that system allows for is notification to us once you've done that. And it also then is a secure way of sharing personal information. So this is the basics of Vault. There's some more functionality, but for the most part, just to be able to upload and download statements, that's what you need to know. If you have any questions on that, you can always give us a call, 920-617-6830. If you have any other tech questions, you can shoot me an email, andrew@maccofinancial.com. Thanks.